Hey guys, it's me Lena here with another tutorial. And first I'm going to say I'm not going to talk through this whole video because I'm sick and I sound really crazy right now. So I'm just going to pop in and out and explain a little bit of what I'm doing. So first, this style came from somebody's page I seen on Instagram, I believe. And I was like, oh, that's really cute. I have to try that. So of course I tried it out on my daughter. That's my little live mannequin experiment head. So here, first of all, to make parting really simple, I parted the hair straight back like I was doing 4 braids to the back because I figured that would keep me from doing so many braids. And these are jumbo, so I didn't want to put too many braids in there. So I just parted like 4 straight back braids. Okay, so now that I have my first section parted out, I was trying to figure out where my partner was going from here because I really didn't know. So I decided to do like a sort of semi-triangle parting technique for these, and it worked out pretty good. Sort of triangle. So for these jumbo braids, I decided to do the rubber band method. I'm not the best at doing the jumbo braids, so it's easier to put a rubber band on them. And I also think that it lasts a little bit longer with the rubber band on there also. Especially since my daughter has thick hair. Okay, so when doing the rubber band method, I split the hair up just so you have a more even braid. And when I put it on, I tried to do like a wrap method kind of to make sure I cover up the rubber band because I don't want it to show at all. So when I first start braiding, I kind of take like the first piece of hair around the rubber band just to make sure that I'm covering it up. And then when I'm braiding down, especially with jumbo box braids, I do the tuck method so the braid looks neater. So I'm just taking her real hair and tucking it behind or under the braiding hair to give it a smoother look. And with this style, I'm only braiding the braids halfway down and then I'm gonna put a rubber band on the end to secure it. I was gonna tie it, but I figured the rubber band would be easier and it'll stay. So I'm just gonna braid it halfway down because the other half is going to get curled with the perm rods. Okay, so here I'm just showing how I've rubber band the sections off, and I did part them triangle. And actually parting this hair back into like I was doing for straight back braids was a really easy method. This was my first time doing it like that actually. And it made parting the triangles out pretty easy. So here I'm just showing you how I braided it halfway down and put a rubber band on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the hair this way. And as you can see, I wrapped the hair around that rubber band so it wouldn't show. So I finished putting all the braids in, and when I'm done, and when I'm finished and I'm looking at it now, I'm like, I'm really not crazy about how this is looking. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but of course I was going to keep going. I was at the end. So now it was time to roll up the hair. So I took each braid and I split the ends and put 2 rods on each. And when I'm wrapping it around the rods, I kind of roll or twirl it so it has a tighter curl to it. Now I have all the hair rolled up and I am about to dip it.
Ooh, that's a nice curl. Nisha was right. That curl is perfect. Nisha, you was right. These are some perfect curls. So now I have the hair all curled up. The curls came out really cute. And I'm feeling style a lot more now that it's pulled up into a ponytail. I really didn't like it hanging down. So I guess the style just makes for a cute bun or ponytail. So I was just fighting with it, twirling it around, trying to figure out how I was going to get it up into a cute bun. I really didn't know how to wrap this ponytail, y'all. I was just like, okay, twirl it left, twirl it right, flip it, fold it, forget it. Just put a rubber band on it and and let it be curled. I didn't really want the braids to show in the ponytail, just the curls, so that's why I was trying to figure out how to wrap it around where I could hide the braided part. And my daughter wanted to leave it hanging down, of course, but I thought it was cuter wrapped around in a bun, so I figured out a way to wrap it around in a bun. Okay, so we're to the end of this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comments how you like the style, how it came out, and if you would do anything differently. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.